Everything need to know about IBM Cloud Database for Redis and open source, in-memory data store for use as a database, cache, message forwarder, and pending task list. That's what many businesses are looking for. The article Everything Need to Know About IBM Cloud Database for Redis will help you better understand this data warehouse. What is Redis? Redis is an abbreviation for Remote Dictionary Server, which is a fast, in-memory, key-value data store. This project started when Salvatore Sanfilippo, the original developer of Redis, wanted to improve the scalability of his Italian startup. From there, he developed Redis, which is now used as a database, cache, message broker, and queue role. Redis currently provides sub-millisecond response times, helping to fulfill millions of requests per second for real-time applications in industries such as games, ad technology, financial services, healthcare, and IoT. Currently, Redis is one of the most popular open-source tools, being named the favorite database by Stack Overflow for 5 years in a row. Because of its fast performance, Redis is often chosen for caching, session management, games, leaderboards, real-time analytics, geospatial applications, ride-hailing, chat, messaging, media streaming, and pub/sub engine apps. AWS provides 2 fully managed services for running Redis. Amazon MemoryDB for Redis is a durable, Redis-compatible, in-memory database service that delivers super-fast performance. Amazon ElastiCache for Redis is a fully managed caching service that accelerates data access from primary databases and data stores with microsecond latencies. Furthermore, ElastiCache also supports Memcached, another popular open-source caching engine. This is also the first information in Everything Need to Know about IBM Cloud Database for Redis. Benefits of Redis performance. All Redis data resides in memory, allowing data access with low latency and high throughput. Unlike traditional databases, in-memory data store requires no drive journeys, reducing tool latency to microseconds. As a result, an in-memory data store can support more operations and 10x faster response times. The result is blazing fast performance, where average reads and writes take less than a millisecond and support millions of operations per second. Flexible data structure. Unlike other key-value data stores that are limited in terms of data structures, Redis owns a lot of data structures to meet the needs of your application. Redis data types include string, text or binary data up to 512 megabytes in size, list, a set of strings arranged in the same order as when added set, an unordered set of strings, capable of intersecting, associating, and distinguishing from other types of sets. Sorted set sorted by value hash function, a data structure used to store lists of fields and values. Bitmap, a data type that allows bit-level operations. Hyperlog logs, a probabilistic data structure for estimating unique elements in a dataset stream. A message queue with a log data structure. Geospatial, a map with longitude, latitude, neighborhood-based entries. JSON, a semi-structured, nested object of named values, supporting numbers, strings, Boolean, arrays, and other objects. Simple and easy to use. Redis allows you to write complex code in the traditional style with fewer lines, more simply. With Redis, you have to write fewer lines of code to store, access, and use data in your applications. The difference here is that developers using Redis can use a simple command structure as opposed to traditional database query languages. For example, you can use Redis hash data structure to transfer data to a data store with just one line of code. A similar task on a data store without a hash data structure would require multiple lines of code to convert from one format to another. Redis is equipped with its data structures and many options for manipulating and interacting with your data. Over 100 open-source clients are available to Redis developers. Supported languages include Java, Python, PHP, C, C++, C#, JavaScript, Node, JS, Ruby, R, Go, and many more. This is further information in everything need to know about IBM Cloud Database for Redis. Capability and durability. Redis uses a replica master architecture and supports asynchronous replication where data can be replicated to multiple replica servers. This results in better read performance, because requests can be split between servers, and faster recovery when the primary server goes down. In terms of durability, Redis supports point-in-time backup, copying the Redis dataset to disk. Redis is not built to be a consistent and persistent database. If you need a persistent, Redis-compatible database, consider using Amazon MemoryDB for Redis. Because MemoryDB uses a persistent transaction log that stores data across multiple availability zones, AZs, you can use MemoryDB as your primary database.